Hi, and welcome to another week of our family dinners. It is Friday, and for dinner tonight we are having chicken and rice soup. You can add any kind of vegetables that you would like. I have a bag of peas and carrots and a bag of corn. Just gonna warm them through for about 3 or 4 minutes. I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of thyme, a teaspoon of parsley, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we're going to cook it for just about a minute. Stir it up, and I'm going to add in my pepper. I'm going to add in 2 32-ounce boxes of chicken broth. I'm going to give it a stir. And now we are going to add our rice. So we like a lot of rice in our soup, so I'm going to add about 1.5 cups. I'm just going to stir it. We are going to let it cook for 30 minutes, stirring every 10 minutes. So my soup has been cooking for 20 minutes, or simmering for 20 minutes. So now we are going to add in our chicken. I have 1.5 chicken breasts right here, the leftover from last night. I like to use leftover chicken when I make our chicken and rice soup. I like to marinate our chicken in the McCormick Grill Mates Mesquite. I think it adds a lot of flavor to the soup. So I like to cook up a few extra chicken breasts the night before and then just plop that in the soup, and it's gonna cook for another 10 minutes, and then your soup is ready. Here's our soup all served up, and we're just going to have a side of sourdough bread with it. It is Monday night, and for dinner tonight we are just having leftover chicken that my husband barbecued last night. We have some green beans, and we have a baked potato. So that is our dinner. Owen is making us some banana pudding for dessert tonight. It is Tuesday, and for dinner tonight, my husband barbecued some chicken breasts. We have a few pieces of chicken left over from last night. Just having some ranch beans on the side. Owen absolutely loves those. And my husband was able to find some vegetables at the store today. So we have those, and then a little bit of sourdough. It is Wednesday night, and for dinner tonight we are having chicken pot pie. So I have 1 big can of cream of chicken. Normally I like to use a can of cream of chicken and a can of cream of mushroom, but this was all my store had at the moment. I have 2 cans of mixed vegetables. I like to use these because it has the little chunks of potato in it. I did drain both of these. Okay, I'm going to add in a 1/2 cup of milk. I'm going to stir it all together. Last night my husband barbecued chicken, so I saved 2 of the chicken breasts that he made. I marinated these in the McCormick's Mesquite. Okay, so I'm just going to stir my chicken in here and mix it all up. Leftover chicken that you may have, you can use rotisserie chicken. You can use, if you have holiday ham or turkey left over, you can make that into a pot pie. So I have my baking dish. I put it on a pan just in case any juices spill over. This is a 2-quart baking dish. You do want a deep dish because this does make a lot of filling. So I have my pie crust. Okay, so you'll lay one on the bottom. And just kind of stretch it out up the sides. So we're going to dump our filling in here. Okay, so we're going to unroll our other pie crust. Going to lay that on the top. And smush it down a little bit. And you're just going to work the sides around until you get it to the way you want it. So I'm going to poke a couple holes in it so it can vent. Okay, so my oven is preheated to 400 degrees, so it is going to bake for about between 30-45 minutes. Hey, here is our pot pie. I ended up cooking it for 55 minutes, so it's a nice golden brown. So that is dinner for tonight. It is Thursday night, and for dinner tonight we are having chicken enchiladas. Now I have 4 chicken breasts. They are already cooked and shredded in my bowl. I just baked them with a little bit of olive oil and garlic salt. Okay, to our chicken you want to add 1 cup of sour cream. And you're just going to mix it up. Okay, so I have a can of green enchilada sauce. I'm just going to pour a little bit in the bottom of your dish. Corn tortillas, you're just going to layer them on the bottom. And you're going to spread it out on your tortillas. So I have some Monterey Jack cheese. You're just going to sprinkle some over the top of your chicken. And then you're going to pour some of your green sauce over it. And you're going to layer your tortillas again. And then top it with the rest of your chicken. A little bit more cheese. A little bit of green sauce. And then you're going to layer the rest of your tortillas. So here is our dinner. I'll plate it up. We have our chicken enchilada casserole, some rice and beans on the side. I like to add a little bit of lettuce to mine and a little bit of extra sour cream.